Hey guys, it's me, Ekag, and today on this video I'm doing what you might call mailbox, or I don't know what you call it, but doing the thing where you get like gifts and stuff like that, where you open up things that you've been sent. So let's get right into it. Shout out to Boo AJ. It says, IK, ick. This isn't much, but I gave all my spikes away in a giveaway. What have we got? That's really nice. Oh, by the way, I am going to gift all these people back, but not right now. 99 Lime. No gift, obviously, because they're not a member, but anyway. Carbra. Here we are. Necklace. Thank you. Animal Jam Rocks. Velvet the Rabbit. 0. Louis. Here we go. Oh, I have that. It's nice. Thank you. Animal Jam Rocks. Dogs. 92. Princess Necklace. Pink 0004. Hello. Red Doctor's Bag. Awesome. I will give this person back. Tenny 128. Thank you. Poppy 1234. We're frying pan out. Yes, I've been wanting one of them for ages. Keep that. I'm going to gift all these people back after the video. Okay, I'm in the process of gifting things back. Where is it? Here we are. Boo AJ. Oh no, not that one. Where is it? Yes, Boo. No. Where are they? Here we are. 2128. I'm going to find them some Western leg and back items. I'm going to try and find them or get them that. Got 4 gems. You can still sell them. This Western, they got Western back and foot, was it? Okay, back and leg items. Back and leg. This is the vest. And the shoes. I would give them the vest. How much is that? They're both 3. I'd get them both if I could, but I can't. So I'll just get them the vest. And then I'll go gift back. Who does this belong to? Send. Pink 0004. Okay, let's reply. And I will give you. Think a member? Yeah, I think so. I'll give you Rare Stegosaurus armor. Okie dokie, and I'll personalize it. There we are. And I'll give you little pets. There we go. Next we have Dogs 92. Okay. Oh, there are some more things like that. And roses, I love roses. Chocolate. And I'll give you magnifying glass. What am I going to give you? I will give you a rhino helmet. Send. Just did pink. Oh, did we just do dogs are? I think I just did dogs are. Sorry if I didn't, but anyway. Here we are. Apply. And send. Oh. Shout out to you. I couldn't send you something back. Shout out. Go, bro. Reply. Hi. There we go. And here we are. And a gift. Let's do. Give you a red top hat. There you are. 99 Lemon. I don't think I can gift any. Yes, I can't give them, but I will send them something. Thank you. There we are. And I'm gonna thank this person. They gave me something, although they don't have much anyway. Oh, sorry, I just had to read that again. Okay, they can have some black on it, but not use them. No, that would be a mean prize. I'll give them antlers. Yes, I'm sure. Something random. Here we go. Sleep is a koala. I love saying that. What else do we have? I love the roses. I'd use them, but I was really like thinking, why are you using a rose? Okay, we have mushroom scent. And yes, that is all. Oh, okay. Just got something from Dogsa. Of course I will buddy you. You seem awesome. Who's Dogsa? Dogsa and Jamux. Of course I'll buddy you. Wow, I've just been sent something back from Bibu AJ. They are so sweet. So nice. Thank you. You've already gifted me, but thank you very much. I'll have to gift you something back. I just got another thing from PR Grace. Shout out to you, YOLO. I think YOLO stands for something, but I'm not quite sure. Whatever. Dear Antlers, so cool. Thank you, and I will gift you back. Okay. I couldn't send them back. Send something back. Anyway, shout out to them. Okay, I'm about at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello, goodbye. Oh, what's this? Oh, Fanta. What's this? Okay, this is interesting. Okay. That's really... Alright, I don't think I've been in this place before. What's this? Make a lemon battery, that's cool. Salt watercolors, make your own ice cream. It's cool. Okay, that's all I have time for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you. See ya. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.